Guys, this is my first
Okay, that's good to know.
ASMR.
And I'll transition
And
to
That's my
the
note.
Bangsamoro
Don't do
elections
the
because
freaking.
tinitignan ko yung
Okay, let's
budget niyo
ASMR
for
now.
this year. Wala siyang naka-allocate,
Wait.
no? Walang amounts for Bangsamoro elections. So that's my
Coca-Cola.
next question. Saan kukuha ng amounts for Bangsamoro elections?
Dahil po, Mr. Chair, nung na-reset yung Bangsamoro election na dapat po kasabay ng national and local elections, kaya po walang gastos na dagdag. Naka-ride lang po siya doon po sa national and local election ng 2025. Pero dahil po, Mr. Chair, bigla po siyang nireset sa October 13, as correctly pointed out by the majority floor leader, kinakailangan po namin humingi ng dagdag sa wala na pong paraan sa GAA. We went to the executive, the DBM, humingi po kami at ang sabi po sa amin, total, may balanse pa kayo doon sa nabigay sa inyo na 12 billion, junior na lang kuhanin yung 2.7 billion. So, hindi po kami binigyan ng DBM, but doon po namin kinuha doon sa natitira pa at that time na budget para lang po ma-finance po namin, ma-budgetan ang Bangsamoro Parliamentary Election.
Narinig ko, Mr. Chairman, yung 2.7 was carved out of that 14 billion.
Yes po, Mr.
So
Chair.
ang cost ng Bangsamoro election is only 2.7.
Yes po, because we only have more or less 2.3 million registered voters po sa Bangsamoro.
Okay. Alright. And then just put on record, covered na yan. Meron na tayong budget na.
Yes po, automated po ang ating Bangsamoro Parliamentary Election.
Okay. And then, ito na, tanong na ni Senator Erwin kanina, but I want to get more details and put it on record, of course. No? The BSKE for next year, for 2025, we've allocated 11.6 billion. No? And I heard earlier na dahil nga na-late na yung pag-postponement, bumili na kayo ng papel, meron ng preparatory work, ang natitira na lang is about 9.5 billion.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
And the amount needed for BSKE for next year is 19.
Yes po, kung depende po, Mr. Chair, sa mga options.
Yeah.
For example, if we are going, given in all the options, we will create 10,000 new precincts.
Yes.
Given in all the options, we will hire additional 30,000 electoral board members. But doon po sa mga options na binigay namin, if it is 4.61 billion, wala pong support staff, wala rin pong